Hello there and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be talking about the new DJI Ronin SC, and I'm going to give you guys a quick overview of it because in the next 24 hours I should actually have one of these in my hands, and in the next days and weeks I'm going to be sharing with you guys a number of videos, showing you the new features that the Ronin SC has compared to the original Ronin S, as well as giving you an overview of what it's actually like to use. Now I was hoping it would actually be here for the launch, but it actually got a little bit delayed. Now if you don't know what the new Ronin SC is, it is a new, smaller and lighter version of the original Ronin S that comes in at just 1.1 kilos. It is designed specifically to be used with mirrorless cameras, and it will take a maximum payload of around 2 kilos. Just like the original Ronin S, it has a whole host of smart features like 3D roll, sport mode, motion lapse and time lapse. However, DJI have been able to rework the whole device and add a couple of really nice new features as well. The first is they've been able to redo the gimbal mechanism, and they have now added some axis locks which allow you to lock the gimbal either the use position for helping you balance, or lock it when you close it up. And I do also believe that the new Ronin S will still fit in its box even when you have balanced the position of the motors, which means unlike the original Ronin S, like I have to do is keep it out, you can actually fold it away every time and not have to mess around with balancing too much. Further to this, they've also added two new major smart features. The first is called Active Track 3.0, and it allows you to connect up your smartphone to the Ronin SC, either connect it on top of your camera or mount it on the side, and use your phone to control the gimbal's active track, just like you can on their drones. Another new feature as well is something called Force Mobile, and it allows you to mirror your mobile's movements on the gimbal itself, allowing you to use it as a gyro remotely from the Ronin S, allowing you to track subjects and basically mirror the movement that you have with your hands. Now, there are a whole host of other changes on the new Ronin SC as well, including a new, smaller and lighter focus motor, and I'm going to be showing that to you guys in the next couple of days. Now, the new Ronin SC is available to order straight away from DJI today. Pricing is going to be available in two packages. The first package is the Pro package, which includes the focus control as well as the new smaller Ronin SC focus motor, and that's going to come in at $539. There is also going to be a lighter package, more like the Essentials package that you got on the original Ronin S, and that's going to be available for $439 as well. Now, if you'd like to order this, there is a link to it in the description of this video, and if you'd like to support the channel, please do check that out. And as I've said, it should be with me within the next 24 hours, so please do keep an eye out on the channel. I'm going to be posting an unboxing video pretty much as soon as it comes in, as well as a number of other videos over the next couple of days. So as soon as it comes in, I will get on with it and hopefully share with you guys what I can as soon as I possibly can. That's it for this video. If you like what you've seen, please do hit that subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner. Again, there is a link to the new Ronin SC in the description of this video as well. Please do check that out. That's it. Thank you for watching, and I will do another video again soon. Please do subscribe to the channel and check out all of the other videos we have available. They are also split into playlists to help you easily find the ones that are relevant to you. If you would like to support the channel, please check out the links that are in the description for each video. You will find the links for the products we've been talking about, and it's only by you guys purchasing via these links that allows us to keep making videos and buy products to talk about in the future. Please also check us out and follow us on all of the social media platforms such as Twitter, Instagram and Facebook. We're beginning to build these accounts up, and whilst it is early days, I would appreciate it if you would like, share and follow us on these platforms. Finally, please also check out my website, www.madrc.com. Now, this is somewhere that we've been putting some of our blog posts and things like that over the last couple of years. So if you're interested in having a look, please do go check it out. That is it. Please do click that subscribe button. Thank you very much, and I will do another video again soon.